So today at Blue Ridge, we're going to take a look at an Air Tools bag. And if you know us, you know we've been making an Air Tools bag for a long time. Airing up and airing down, and pressurized air is a bit my nemesis because I'm kind of lazy and I can't find anything, and I lose my valve stem piece. I lose everything, right? And when I need it, I'm digging through the car. So we build bags to kind of solutions to that problem, so that you can find all your stuff and you can keep it in the Air Tools bag. This is the next generation. So this is out of our triple run line. Basically what you've got is MOLLE Pals platform across the front, so you can hook pouches to it, right? We've got daisy chain into the handles. The handle goes clear down to the bottom, and then daisy chain, so you can actually use groom locks and clip pouches to it. So our other pouches in the triple run, our other clip-on pouches in the triple run series will all work with this. And you're going to see some pouches that actually fit this format size-wise. Same thing, you can clip them to the back, you can clip them to the front. This bag is 14 inches across and 7 inches tall. On the inside, what you've got is you have got room for 1, 2, 3 life-size squirrels, 1 FUD squirrel, which is a little over life-sized, and then Bob, who is maybe more chipmunk life-size. So I would say on average, a solid 4 life-size squirrels will fit into the Air Tools bag. From there, you've got Velcro panels on both sides of it. And one of the things we changed was we wanted to be able to keep a little more stuff inside and a little less stuff on the outside of the bag. So the bag is a little bit thicker. It's like 5 inches thick, and it comes with 2 of these blue pouches. Now, a blue pouch will hold 1 life-size squirrel, right? So each of these blue pouches will hold 1 life-size squirrel, and basically they're set up to go side by side in the front of this bag like that, right? If you've got an ARB Air Tools kit, it slides into the back without any problem, and then bam, you can have all your tools in here, like a deflator, like extra valve stuff. If you've got, like I carry a low pressure tire gauge, big numbers because I'm getting older and I can't see as well. So it's got really big numbers, so I don't need my glasses to see it. Look, I can read that. My arms are long enough. I can still read that without my glasses. So a large valve or a large pressure gauge inside there. You can also fit inflators and stuff like that in there, and a bunch of other parts because there's a lot of room. When it closes up, that's what she looks like, right? Handle, walk away with it. Again, clip on other pouches. The other pouch is going to be for things like airline on the back. So we're going to build a mesh pouch for this that's going to have, you're going to be able to put airline on the back of it and clip it to it and unclip it and just pull out the airline if you don't need the rest of the stuff, right? So like I don't always use, if I'm at the farm and I'm filling a tractor tire, I don't necessarily need my low pressure gauge. I'm just going to use this to get it back up, or an ATV tire or something like that. I'm just going to use this to get it back up. So we're going to set it up so that this fits in the back of here. You can also kit it if you don't run this big monstrosity plug kit that has all kinds of fun stuff in it, right? You can take all the plug stuff out of here, all the tools that are out of here that are required to fix said tire on the fly, and they will all fit in one of these little pouches, right? Or if you put your own kit together, they'll all fit in one of those little pouches, and then your airline, even a coiled airline like this with all this crap, still fits in here and zips up and goes away. So I could have my plug kit, my airline, replacement valves, air down stuff all inside this bag if I wanted to, right? Without even attaching anything to the outside. If you decide you want to keep this kit complete in the way it is, it can go to the inside, and then your airline and stuff like that can go to the outside. So the other great thing is, if you weren't using it for air tool stuff, it still fits. All of our other pouches still work with it, right? So you can still take 4x12 pouches from other pouches or add on, and you can fit 2 4x12 pouches inside of here, and you can run 2 long pouches this way. You can run these 2 pouches, the 2 7x6 pouches here, which are 2 inches thick, 7x6, 2 inches thick, fit it in there, and then still fit stuff in the in-between when you close it. So it's a really versatile piece. So it still, again, holds our normal 12x4 pouches, or a single 6x12 will fit in here. It'll hold the 6x7 Velcro pouches on the inside. It will take an ARB kit. It'll hold an airline. It just does all kinds of tricks. So that's our new Air Tools bag. It's 1,000 denier Cordura through most of the bag. It's the Squadron fabric, which is 1,050 laminated. So these actual loops actually hold a whole bunch of weight compared to just slitting 1,000 denier Cordura. It's way closer to what a piece of webbing bartacked in here will hold. So durability wise, the slits actually hold up. So if you want to use that to slide tools into, stuff like that, you can do it. All the slits are available, so even the top ones will still work. There's still a usable attachment point. Again, the loops are here, so you can use them. 1,000 denier Cordura. We put gray on the inside, gray Velcro on the inside, so it gets a little more light reflection, so you can see in it better, because, you know, tires typically don't go flat on a beautiful sunny day. It's always in the rain, at night, in the mud, in the dark, whatever. It never happens when it's easy, right? If it wasn't hard, we wouldn't be doing it, because hard shit is why we get out and do this stuff. Or at least that's why I do it, because I like to do things that are hard, I guess. So you've got MOLLE pals, you've got daisy chain, and you've got Velcro, which is what part of the triple run system is. It gives you those 3 attachment platforms. You can find this bag at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and check it out.